Hey, how you guys doing? I hope you're doing good today. Great, so today we're going to talk about the KUA, KUA. So the KUA is a really important part of our training. And the KUA is this area right here. So if you, this is where, like, if you're wearing a pair of Speedos, you want to look trendy, or I don't know if it's definitely not trendy, but anyway, if you want to kind of, walk around in your Speedos at the beach, you have your bikini, it's this line right here. It's kind of like your groin crease line. So this is the KUA. So when we are moving, when we're doing Tai Chi, we are moving from the KUA. We are not moving, we don't want to move from the hips, like this. We want to move from the KUA here. Why? Well, it does have in the classics, they talk about that they want you to move from the KUA, so that's a good way to start. But one thing is that we are really protecting our knees, because I want you to watch my knees. Let's say I'm just working from the hips. Watch where my knees are going, so that they're being kind of twisted, they're being pulled this way, right? Okay, now watch, if I put my hands on there, watch, see how they're actually turning towards, here's the left, here's the right, they're turning towards that direction. Now watch when I use the KUA, turning from the KUA. So you see they might be kind of lifting and falling a little bit, but they're no longer turning in one direction or the other direction. So what we're doing is we're putting a lot less force and tension, and we're working our knees a lot less. Our knees are basically constructed to move like this. They're a very simple joint, but we got to keep these things for our whole lives. So we want to move like this. This kind of movement is not so normal and natural for the knee. There's a lot of exercises where they encourage you to do this, and that's fine. I'm not bashing kind of moving your knees like this. I think your knees should be completely supple and flexible. But when we are doing Tai Chi, we do not want to encourage this kind of movement. That's just built into this, this practice. So that's one thing to watch yourself. If you find your knees are really kind of moving back and forth, then maybe you should focus more upon moving from the KUA. So when I say we're moving from the KUA, let's talk about the KUA being open and the KUA being closed. When I'm in my front stance, here I'm in the front stance, my left leg, and just join me with this. So remember, all these, are principles are in place. Heads up, sinking the flesh. The left leg is straight forward. We are able to see our toes. We have a 90-degree down into the floor with that long bone. All right. So when I am saying that this KUA, my left KUA is closed. And when I say it's closed, see if I put my hand there, I'm like pinching it. With the groin crease, I'm kind of pinching my fingers. So that's when we refer to the KUA being closed. This is an open KUA. There's no crease here. It's wide open. See how that works? And then if I'm here doing the other side, now I have my right KUA is closed. I could pinch it. The left KUA is open. So you can kind of do that, with yourself, feel that. Feel the, at least maybe if you're in public, it's probably not the best thing to be doing. You end up getting arrested. But, so we're feeling this is closed and this is open. All right? So this is one of the fundamentals of the practice. Is we want to make sure that we are turning from the KUA. So when we are here, we're turning from the KUA. We're not moving like this. When we're stepping out, I'm turning from the KUA. I'm not turning like this. All right, so this is the other thing that it's going to do is it affects down the road is that when we learn how to start to release this internal power, the opening and closing of the KUA is very important because it's kind of like a circuit breaker that you need to have one KUA open, the other one closed, so this energy can flow through that way. If you have both are wide open, it's not going to work. If you have both closed, it's not going to work. So this is kind of how we have, notice how we have one closed here, one open. So this is how it can move this way. So, but this is something that you don't need to worry about until down the road, because right now what we're really focusing on is working on our form, getting our postures right, really working on the breath, and working on dropping the weight and shifting the weight. But this idea of, comes into play that we are also learning to turn from the KUA. All right, so just this is going to be a short video, but anyway, put that into the, on the back burner there, and just kind of mull over that. Just bring that to your mind. Whenever I'm talking about KUA, that's the area I'm speaking about. And when I'm talking about turning from the KUA, that's what I'm referring to. And whenever I use the word closed KUA on the left, it's because I'm pinching it here. And I say open KUA on the right, or closed right, closed left. That's what we're referring to. Okay? So hopefully that's helpful. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.